development. As we take this significant step toward a greener Iloilo, it is an honor to welcome someone at the forefront of shaping policies that protect our natural resources. Please join me as we warmly welcome our esteemed keynote speaker, the Secretary of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga.
Good morning, isang makakalikasang umaga, maayong aga sa inyong tanan. Thank you very much for the kind invitation to be here with you today. Let me start out by greeting our beloved Governor, Art Defensor. Good morning. Of course, our Mayor, Jerry Treñas, who has had to go ahead, but whom we also at the DNR acknowledge for the great participation and partnership. Of course, our Vice Mayor, Jeffrey Ganson. Good morning, all our LGU officials, special guests, of course, Mr. Joji Madara, who is President and CEO of MedPower Venture Partner Holdings and this particular waste recovery venture, and of course, Ms. Shay, very important young lady, our CFO, Metro Pacific Investment Corp, but also this one who spearheaded sustainability and risk management for the group. Thank you very much once again for the invitation. It's both a privilege and of course a very great responsibility as well to be here today as we mark a very significant step towards environmental sustainability, the groundbreaking of the Iloilo Integrated Solid Waste Management Facility. Solid waste management remains one of the most pressing environmental concerns in our country. As you know, the Philippines generates approximately 61,000 metric tons of solid waste daily, of which 12% to 24% is plastic waste. Filipinos consume over 163 million plastic sachets, 48 million shopping bags, and 45 billion thin film bags each day. Alarmingly, only 33% of this waste is disposed of properly in landfills, while other 35% is improperly discarded. Often, this finds its way into our environment, contributes also very significantly to the pollution not just of land, but of our waters. So in urbanized areas like Iloilo City, the challenge is greater, as rapid economic and population growth is accompanied oftentimes by unsustainable production and consumption. The city LGU of Iloilo is very lucky because in our assessment, this is one of the most innovative and groundbreaking introductions to a circular economy as we may develop it. We know that the city collects about 500 metric tons of solid waste a day, and that is actually about 1,190 tons per year. But as the city grows, its metabolism also grows.